And Zahir, I need the help worldwide, somebody with some knowledge who could enlighten me, and so the others of the same caliber who needs knowledge. It's something to do, some information which I don't know, which I like to know more about this COVID-19 or coronavirus, which has become a pandemic and is still become a great threat worldwide, causing severe destruction to humanity. Now there are so many areas where our doubts have to be cleared. A small child could ask this question. Now, along with the coronavirus, there was the SARS and the MERS. Is it correct that no vaccine was ever found out for either SARS or the MERS, which had done a lot of damage in the good old days? So today also an effort is made to find a vaccine for corona, which I don't know, maybe they'll succeed. But the question is not the vaccine. What is the lifespan of these organisms by themselves? Like any being has a beginning and an end, to my knowledge. Now corona will carry on as long as it has a host. It has a host, it will keep on thriving and multiplying. Not arithmetically, mathematically it will multiply. Geometrically it will multiply. So this stay-at-home program is a good thing where they are being prevented of finding a host and they are isolated. Now the question I ask is, which I want to know, and most of us want to know is, when they are in isolation, this so-called virus, what is their lifestyle as a virus, as a pathogen, as an organism? How do they continue? Do they disintegrate after some time and lose its potentiality and go into thin air? Or are they going to live forever and ever until the doomsday? So everything on earth perishes, any organic earth perishes. Only has believers, only the soul that remains. The human beings, they perish. The trees, everything perishes. So what is the future of a virus? Are they going to live until the day of judgment? These are things the scientists should give an answer. Knowledgeable people should give an answer. Something tells me, by inspiration, I don't. You say your inspiration, you are not an intellect, but yes, this is a little intellect and little inspiration, I would say. Even this virus of corona, if we can avoid this guy from clinging on to a host, it will, after some time, in stages, it too has a lifespan. This virus too has a lifespan. When it is isolated, a time will come when it loses its potentiality and it should disintegrate. Because the answer is already there. Now let us look at SARS and MERS. SARS and MERS appeared in this world and did a lot of havoc, destruction, and it went off. Did scientifically anybody or any institution, the WHO, any organization come forward to get rid of them, or did they disappear by themselves? Number one. Number two, if no vaccine was available for SARS and MERS, didn't that generation restart? As a small boy, I always thought vaccines are already there for bacteria and other organisms. For a virus, the only answer is lie low. When you were small, you had the chicken pox, day young leader. Then they watched it, they said day because they thought it was something divine. It is divine. You lie low and waited in quarantine with Coca-Cola and other things till they went off. Viruses come and viruses they go. It's a mystery from where they come and where they go. Now today we had outing with this Wuhan virus came from a laboratory or whatever it is. That's a different thing. But whatever it is, from wherever they come, there has to be an end. Every beginning has an end. So there should be ample hope that there is a bright future for all of us, for the whole world. At least we may die off, but then the next generation, there's a future. So it is something far better than global warming, which would have caused great havoc, pollution, and a lot of metabolical changes in this world. And there's such a thing is not happening. Corona, by nature, is doing a lot of rehabilitation work for the plants and the herbs and the environment. It's for mankind that it has been very destructive. But anyway, let us hope, and I hope that a forum would be created as to the future of the coronavirus. And actually, in comparison to SARS and MERS, as much as they disappeared from this world, why can't we keep hope that corona will also lose forever? And once again, the world will be in great delight with a great experience. And where in Sri Lanka, I can just see once this country, mother country, Sri Lanka, will boom its resources. Not necessarily our boys and girls should go abroad and work farther than toil and hard. I think they can sit and relax at home when there will be a big boost for tourism in Sri Lanka and our tea trade, and with all our good qualities we are going to come up in life. So we wait for the moment and find these answers. Can coronavirus be eternally, or will there be end to it? Answer is from your end. I am waiting for yours.